Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has become an integral part of our lives, impacting various industries and sectors. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive introduction to AI and share some practical ways you can start using it. So let's dive in. Before we delve into the practical applications, let's briefly understand what artificial intelligence is. AI refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include speech recognition, problem-solving, decision-making, and even visual perception. There are several branches of AI that enable these capabilities. Machine learning, for example, involves training algorithms on large datasets to recognize patterns and make predictions. Natural language processing enables computers to understand and interact with human language. Computer vision allows machines to analyze and interpret visual information. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, aims to simulate the neural networks of the human brain to solve complex problems. Now, let's move on to some practical applications of AI. One of the most common examples is voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These AI-powered virtual assistants can perform various tasks, such as setting reminders, answering questions, playing music, and even controlling smart home devices. AI is also revolutionizing photography. Many smartphones now come equipped with AI-powered cameras that can automatically detect scenes and optimize the settings for the best shot. These cameras can recognize faces, adjust lighting, and even remove unwanted objects from photos. In the field of healthcare, AI is making significant strides. It can aid in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images such as X-rays and MRIs. AI algorithms can detect patterns that are difficult for human eyes to spot, leading to more accurate diagnoses and faster treatment. AI is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans and predict patient outcomes based on vast amounts of medical data. Another practical application of AI is in the realm of smart homes. AI-powered devices can automate various tasks, such as adjusting the temperature, turning on lights, or even ordering groceries. These systems learn from your behavior and preferences to make your living experience more convenient and energy efficient. AI is also transforming the business landscape. Companies are leveraging AI to improve customer service through chatbots, which can provide 24/7 support and answer frequently asked questions. AI can analyze customer data to gain insights into their preferences and behaviors, enabling businesses to personalize their offerings and improve customer satisfaction. Now let me show you how to use them. So all you have to do is open Google, type chatgpt, then click on this link. Simply sign up, and then ask as many questions as you like. There are clearly numerous additional uses for them. For example, right now, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a rice recipe, which it has done. As you can see, artificial intelligence has a wide range of practical applications, and its impact will only continue to grow. Whether it's in our homes, healthcare, photography, or businesses, AI is transforming the way we live and work. So, don't hesitate to explore and embrace this exciting technology. That's all for today's video. If you found it informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and other fascinating topics. Thanks for watching.